Looking for the next big crypto winners? These 5 altcoins could be your golden ticket to massive gains in 2025. The world of cryptocurrency has been buzzing with excitement, and altcoins are leading the charge. Unlike Bitcoin, altcoins offer unique use cases, technological innovations, and often higher growth potential. Many investors have turned modest investments in altcoins into life-changing profits. But remember, success in crypto requires staying informed and making smart decisions. Altcoins are not just an alternative to Bitcoin. They represent the future of blockchain technology. With advancements in DeFi, NFTs, and decentralized apps, the altcoin market is brimming with opportunity. But don't take every hype at face value. Research and due diligence are key to identifying the real gems. Stick around as we reveal our top 5 altcoins for 2025. Spoiler alert, the #1 coin might just blow your mind. What makes altcoins a great investment? Altcoins, short for alternative coins, refer to all cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. While Bitcoin paved the way, altcoins have expanded the possibilities of blockchain technology, introducing innovative features like smart contracts, decentralized apps, and interoperability. Unlike Bitcoin, which primarily serves as a store of value, altcoins are often designed to solve specific problems or enhance blockchain ecosystems. One major advantage of altcoins is their lower price entry points. Investors can acquire larger quantities of altcoins compared to Bitcoin, increasing the potential for exponential returns. Moreover, their smaller market caps make them more volatile, which, while risky, can lead to significant profits during bullish market cycles. Altcoins are also the foundation of innovations like DeFi, where users can lend, borrow, and trade assets without intermediaries. Altcoins are not just investments, they are catalysts for blockchain innovation. This makes them a critical component of any forward-thinking portfolio. Coin number 5, Chainlink. Chainlink is a game changer in the world of blockchain technology. As a decentralized Oracle network, Chainlink bridges the gap between real-world data and smart contracts, enabling blockchain applications to interact with external data sources like weather APIs, financial feeds, and more. This unique feature has made Chainlink indispensable for decentralized finance, DeFi projects. What makes Chainlink so promising is its pivotal role in DeFi's ecosystem. Many DeFi platforms rely on accurate and tamper-proof data, and Chainlink provides this with its secure Oracle services. As DeFi continues to grow, the demand for Chainlink's technology is expected to skyrocket. Furthermore, Chainlink's partnerships with major players like Google Cloud and Swift underline its real-world utility and widespread adoption. The growth potential for Chainlink is enormous. Its price has rebounded strongly after market downturns, and analysts predict steady growth fueled by its expanding use cases. With a market cap in the multi-billion-dollar range, Chainlink is positioned as a top contender in the blockchain space. For 2025, keep an eye on Chainlink as it continues to redefine what's possible in decentralized systems. Number 4, Polkadot. Polkadot is a revolutionary blockchain platform designed to enable interoperability between different blockchains. Unlike traditional blockchains that operate in isolation, Polkadot allows multiple networks to communicate and share data securely. This interconnected framework, called a parachain structure, enhances scalability and fosters innovation by enabling customized blockchains to operate seamlessly. Polkadot's ability to connect multiple blockchains makes it a game changer in the crypto space. It resolves issues like network congestion and high fees, offering developers the flexibility to build decentralized applications, dApps, across various ecosystems. Additionally, Polkadot supports cross-chain transfers, making it an essential tool for DeFi and NFTs. With frequent upgrades and growing developer activity, Polkadot is positioned for long-term growth. Recent developments like parachain auctions have boosted adoption, and its scalability features make it a top choice for enterprises. Currently trading at competitive levels, Polkadot's market cap reflects its strong position in the top 20 cryptocurrencies. Analysts predict it could gain significant value as Web3 adoption increases. Number 3, Solana. Solana has earned a reputation as one of the fastest and most cost-effective blockchains, boasting transaction speeds of up to 65,000 transactions per second, TPS, and fees as low as fractions of a cent. This makes it a strong contender for developers and businesses seeking scalable solutions for decentralized applications, dApps. Solana's promise lies in its booming ecosystem, particularly in NFTs and DeFi. Platforms like Magic Eden NFT Marketplace and Serum Decentralized Exchange run on Solana, attracting developers and investors alike. Its smart contract capabilities and seamless user experience have made it a preferred choice for blockchain applications. Despite facing setbacks, including network outages, Solana has shown resilience by implementing upgrades to improve stability and scalability. These efforts have restored investor confidence, paving the way for long-term growth. Solana's daily transaction volumes remain among the highest in the crypto space, and its total value locked (TVL) in DeFi continues to grow. Analysts predict Solana could regain its all-time highs as scalability improves and adoption expands in 2025. Number 2. Avalanche. Avalanche stands out with its fast transaction speeds and eco-friendly consensus mechanism. It processes thousands of transactions per second (TPS) while maintaining low fees and energy efficiency, making it one of the most sustainable blockchain solutions available. Avalanche's consensus protocol ensures near-instant finality, which appeals to developers and institutions seeking reliability and scalability. Avalanche is particularly promising due to its compatibility with Ethereum. Developers can easily migrate dApps to Avalanche, reducing costs and enhancing performance. Its smart contract platform has attracted projects in DeFi, NFTs, and enterprise applications. Additionally, Avalanche's partnerships with traditional financial institutions and blockchain platforms boost its credibility and adoption. Avalanche's growth potential is bolstered by its innovative approach to DeFi, including custom blockchain creation through subnets. These features have attracted developers, pushing its network activity higher. Avalanche has consistently ranked among the top 15 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Its ecosystem is rapidly expanding, with billions in total value locked (TVL) and strong adoption rates, positioning it as a major player in 2025. Number 1. Ethereum. Ethereum is the undisputed king of smart contracts, powering thousands of decentralized applications, NFTs, and DeFi protocols. As the second-largest cryptocurrency by market cap, Ethereum sets the standard for blockchain innovation and adoption. Ethereum's biggest promise lies in its transition to Ethereum 2.0, which replaced proof-of-work with proof-of-stake. This upgrade significantly reduces energy consumption and boosts transaction speed, addressing scalability issues. With sharding technology on the horizon, Ethereum is expected to handle even more transactions efficiently, cementing its dominance in the crypto market. DeFi and NFT markets are heavily reliant on Ethereum, and institutional adoption continues to grow. Major financial players are building on Ethereum, further validating its long-term value. It remains the go-to platform for developers, ensuring its relevance for years to come. Ethereum boasts a massive market cap exceeding $200 billion, with millions of active wallets and billions in total value locked (TVL) in DeFi protocols. Staking rewards have also incentivized long-term holders, adding to its appeal as a stable investment for 2025. In summary, these 5 altcoins, Chainlink, Polkadot, Solana, Avalanche, and Ethereum, stand out as top contenders for explosive growth in 2025. From innovative interoperability to unmatched scalability and smart contract dominance, each offers unique features and massive potential. While the crypto market is full of opportunities, it's also highly volatile. Diversify your investments, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, the key to success is staying informed and making decisions based on trends and technology, not hype. Which coin do you think will dominate 2025? Drop your picks in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto insights.